Yeah, what's good? It's your boy Slick Fresh. You already know we back at you with another one, man. Keeping it exclusive. This time I got another run off of the Air Max 97, but this time it's a different colorway. And I didn't hit you guys with an on foot the last time. So I'm going to definitely, get you the on foot, but we got to keep it official and do it my way. So we going to get you a how to rock, man. Hey, stay tuned, and we about to hit you with this unboxing first. So y'all already know, man, I've been trying to get my Air Max game up. So I had to cop me another Air Max 97, man. This is, pretty much one of the shoes I've done a review on, but a different colorway. And like I said, man, we got that how to rock coming for you too. But I'm gonna get right into this unboxing, man. And I definitely think these are still sleeper cops. Like, definitely, like, everybody not getting them. You know what I mean? Or maybe it might just be a high production of them or something like. But either way, you know what I mean? I'm gonna hit you with that review because this something people, you know what I mean? Y'all deserve a review, man. Deserve to see how the shoe look. So, you already know, man. Same type of box as last time, and I really like these boxes because, you know what I mean? It just remind me of like the Foamposite box. I got one pair of foams. We ain't gonna talk about that, but I hope it knows. You know what I'm saying? But end of that story. But you already know, man. It's definitely official, man. I mess with the box. Hey, I just like the finish to it for sure. Voila. Those official, like, and these like remind me of the other ones, of course, because it's the same shoe, but at the same time, it's a completely different colorway. I would look at the, the last one is more like a flame, and then these is like the water, you know what I mean? Like cool, like that's that blue for you. That's the kind of feel you get with these. I definitely still like that Air Max on the bottom of these, man. Like, it's definitely official. But then, like, the colorway going through these is just... Blue is my favorite color, you know what I mean? But at the same time, I like the silver, that's mixed in with it. But then the all-around base to the shoe really is the white. And that's what's making these colors really pop in the shoe. You know what I mean? So, I definitely think they did a great job with the shoe, man. I'm satisfied with these, and these was referred to more as like they call them the silver bullet. You know what I mean? I'm gonna grab this other one too. Get that one out for you guys, man. But dang, things official. Both of them out for you. That's the front of them. Like, anybody thinking about getting these, I definitely would recommend you get these because not only am I going to give you guys a on-foot view today, but also I've worn the other pair, you know what I mean? And they definitely are comfortable. And, usually I get compliments in the shoes too. Everybody like, dang, those, yeah. It's not all about that, but at the same time, it's a sleeper cop. And it's so slept on that when you get seen in them, they like, dang, man. Hey, where you get those? You know what I mean? Because they want a pair. Because these are official, for sure, for sure. The bottoms, just black. It's the leather bottoms, but definitely I think the main attraction to the shoe, like I said, is the bottom, air pocket. And then, just the colorway itself. Like, the colors that they are making for these shoes, I definitely think are official colorways, man. The inside of the shoe, even, you know what I mean? They got the silver in it, like the silver Nike signs in the inside on the bottom. And then the back of them right here. Right there, you know what I mean? The back, bro, the whole shoe is all around a great shoe. And you're going to see that when you get these in hand. And I hope that definitely I'm providing a great visual for you guys, man. If you like what you're seeing, make sure to bang that subscription box, man. Hit that like and definitely leave comments, because I'm going to definitely stay vocal with all of you guys. And you know what I mean? I'm also trying to answer, other people's requests. I know that a lot of people were saying I should have did, an on foot with these. So I was thinking, like I'm doing now, get these, because these are a nice colorway, and also provide the on foot for you with that special How to Rock from your boy Slick Fresh. And I know, so you already know, man, we just gonna jump right into this How to Rock. And I'm about to first show you the gear that I got. You know what I mean? So not only am I gonna, give you guys a visual with the jeans on, because you know what I mean, I think it does give you a nice look with the jeans, but also I want to give you guys a summertime look, man. So that was what I was going for when I was picking out stuff, to actually, show to you guys, because I do also think that these pop with shorts, you know what I mean? But I definitely recommend like some mid, top socks if you're gonna rock some shorts with these at least, you know what I mean? But first I got the, shorts right here. Got the shorts. And I got these from Shields, pretty much like a Dick's out here. And definitely, they only cost $30, but I definitely thought the gray shorts was gonna pop with these. You know what I mean? Got the white Nike sign on them. And then, we got the champion shirt. We had to add another one to the collection. You know what I'm saying? I had to hit up Zoomies. Had to go get me a champion shirt. This cost about $25. You know what I mean? About $28 after tax, but wasn't a bad buy. I stayed with the champion on all day. But I'm gonna definitely just throw this on, with the jeans first and give y'all that look, and then I'm gonna hit you with the How to Rock at the end, all right? Hey, so I'm definitely rocking with the jeans. You know what I'm saying? How they look with the shoes, man. Like, I definitely rock jeans all the time. If I'm not rocking some jogging pants or some shorts, I'm going to throw on some jeans. You know what I mean? But I like my jeans fitted, more like slim fit. I do think they look best with like slim fit jeans and fitted jeans. The baggy approach, I think these are, kind of baggy but slim. So I think this is as, baggy as it gets, for real, you know what I mean? But to each his own, but I definitely think it look good with some slim fit jeans, man. And man, definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think, man, as far as like, hey, which one would you rather have? Do you rock your jeans down like that, you know what I mean? Which, that's not even bad, really. That doesn't even look bad if you just rocking them. Hey, because the jeans are bought to fit at length, so therefore that's why they still look good like that. But me, I've always been the type to always, cuff my pants. I think it just make the shoes stand out a little more. But at the same time, hey, that's just me, you know what I mean? Like, but some days I might be feeling like this. I do think both of them are nice, but hey, let me know in the comments what y'all like more. You know what I mean? Everybody has their opinion about everything, you know what I mean? So just let me know in the comments. You already know that boy Slick Fresh came through with the summer look, man. Had to hit you with the shorts, man, the gray shorts, man. I had to rock the, gray socks with it. Really, I think you could also rock some white socks with these as well. I just chose gray. That's what I had on. You know what I'm saying? And you already know we had to hit you with the champion with it too, man. The champion shirt just popping with the whole fit, man. I think gray was the perfect, look for the whole colorway itself. The shoe and the outfit, man. You already know, man. We had to keep it coming, man. So if you guys like what you see, make sure y'all banging that subscription box, man, and showing some love. And you already know your boy Slick Fresh gonna keep it coming. And we out of here, man.
One more chance. Honey, give it one more chance.
What it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a